Fiberglass is a special material made from glass fibers. It is relatively lightweight but has high strength, capable of withstanding significant tensile and bending forces, which is why it is often used as a substitute for metal materials. Compared to metals, fiberglass has a lower density, yet its strength and durability are comparable to metals, and in some extreme environments, it even performs better. It has excellent properties such as corrosion resistance, high temperature resistance, good electrical insulation, and superior impact resistance and toughness. As a result, fiberglass is widely used in construction materials, the automotive industry, aerospace, and other fields. It is particularly outstanding in environments that require resistance to extreme pressure and high temperatures. However, due to these unique physical properties, fiberglass can be challenging to process, especially when cutting, which can lead to material damage or imprecise cuts. To address this issue, we have developed this guillotine-type fiberglass cutting machine. With its unique design and high-precision cutting technology, the machine can easily cut fiberglass into the required sizes, and the cutting dimensions can be adjusted as needed. This greatly improves work efficiency and precision, while significantly reducing material waste.